Marhaban. Hi. Welcome to my channel, Zah Academy. In this lesson, we are going to learn the days of the week and months of the year in Arabic. So, the days of the week: أيام الأسبوع. أيام الأسبوع. So, the word for day in Arabic is يوم. Let's repeat it. It is يوم. So, for days, it is أيام. Let's repeat it. أيام. For week, the word in Arabic is أسبوع. أسبوع. So, the first day of the week is Al-Ahad. يوم الأحد means Sunday. It comes from the word Wahid means one. For example, Al-Yawm al-Ahad. Today is Sunday. Al-Yawm means today and Al-Ahad means Sunday. Second day is Al-Isnain means Monday and it comes from the word Isnain means two. So the Monday is on second day. So it is Yawmul Isnain. Third is As-Sulasa, Tuesday. So it comes from the word Salasa means three. Fourth one is Al-Arbi'a. Yawmul Arbi'a means Wednesday. It comes from the word Arba means four. Fifth one is Al-Hamis. Yawmul Hamis and it is Thursday. It comes from the word Hamsa means five. Al-Jum'a. Yawmul Jum'a means Friday and it comes from the word Jum'a means gathering. And the last one is As-Sabt means Saturday. So for yesterday and tomorrow we use in Arabic. For yesterday it is Ams. For tomorrow it is Bukra and also Gadan is used for tomorrow. So the next is months in a year is Janayir. Janayir means January. Janayir is used as January. Next one is February. February, February. Third one is Maris means March. Let's repeat it. Maris. So, fourth one is April. So, in Arabic it is Abril. Let's repeat it. April. In Arabic is Abril. Next is May. In Arabic it is Mayu. Let's repeat it. Mayu. So the next one is June. In Arabic it is Yuniyu. Let's repeat it. Yuniyu. Next one is July. And in Arabic it is Yuliyu. In Arabic it is Yuliyu. Next one is August. So in Arabic it is Augustus. In Arabic it is Augustus. Ninth one is September. So in Arabic it is September. Let's repeat it. In Arabic we use September as September. Next one is October. So in Arabic it is October. Let's repeat it. October. Next one is November. So in Arabic it is November. In Arabic it is November. And the last one is December. So in Arabic it is December. Let's repeat it. December. तो ये थे हमारे